Hi guys, I'm the Grey Gardener. I often find when you're starting off seeds that the compost used should be sieved. I'm sure we're all well aware of bits of plastic or bits of wood, bark, chippings and stuff all being inside compost, and when your little root hits that, it's not going to do it any good at all. So I like to sieve my compost, and you're going to need a couple of things just to get you going. So I've got a scoop with the deep sides there. Um, I've got a sieve, and I've got a box. Now, the one thing that makes life a lot easier is the dimensions. So this sieve, you can see here, doesn't fit inside the box. It just rests nicely on there, and that enables you to go side to side like that. So it's as simple as putting 2 or 3 scoops of your compost in. Now I just use multi-purpose compost. I find that works well. It's just a case of adding 2 or 3 scoops and really going for it, going side to side. That gets rid of all the big lumps and bits of things that you don't want in your compost, and it leaves you with a nice fine, a fine compost there that your seedlings will thank you for. So yeah, that's all there is to it. I'll pop some links below as to where I got the sieve and the scoop. Obviously you can buy them at any kind of garden centre, they're not hard to find. I hope you enjoyed that one. Thanks very much, and I'll see you in the next one.